Wildfires in California are a stark reminder of our changing climate, consuming millions of acres each year. The combination of dry vegetation, fierce winds, and rising temperatures creates a perfect storm for destruction. While many fires are ignited by human activity, we hold the power to change this narrative. By clearing brush and maintaining defensible space around our homes, we can significantly reduce the risk. Staying informed and prepared is crucial. Knowledge is our best defense. Together, we can protect our beautiful landscapes and communities. Let's take action and be the change we wish to see. Visit Cal Fire to learn how you can make a difference.